Cracking your knuckles doesn't damage your joints, but what's actually happening inside is genuinely fascinating. Your joints are surrounded by synovial fluid, a liquid that lubricates and cushions movement. Dissolved in that fluid are gases, mainly carbon dioxide. When you stretch or manipulate a joint, you rapidly increase the space inside it, causing the pressure to drop suddenly. The dissolved gases come out of solution and form a bubble, and that bubble collapsing is the crack you hear. After cracking, it takes around 20 minutes for the gases to dissolve back into the fluid, which is why you can't crack the same joint twice in a row. One study followed people who cracked their knuckles for 60 years. No increased arthritis. So crack away guilt free. Follow for more facts your body never told you.